Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your VIVO V40 phone. So the first thing we're going to do is power off our phone by holding the power button and then clicking on power off. And now we're going to wait for it to turn off. And once it's turned off, we're going to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the fast boot menu opens up. There we go, so it's open now. And now we're going to navigate to the recovery mode option by using our volume buttons and then clicking on the power button to select. Okay, so now that we are in recovery mode, we are going to click on the clear data option in the top right. And then we're going to select clear all data and press OK. And now it's going to clear all the data on the phone, and that's basically it. There we go, now it says all data cleared, and we can reboot our phone to see that all the data has been erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.